My name is Ayse.
My name is Osman.
Okay, today we are going to learn about understanding pronouns. Sentences use nouns as a subject and object.
Pronouns can be replacing nouns in sentence.
Okay, pronouns can be singular or plural. Okay, subject pronouns, singular.
I, you, he, she, it.
Yeah, what about plural?
We, you, they.
They. Okay, object pronouns, singular.
Me, you, him, her, it.
Okay, plural.
Us, you, them.
Them.
With
Very
a happy
good.
face.
Okay. Nouns. Friend took Jim to
Mexico.
Okay. Friend is
Subject.
subject. Very good. Okay. Jim,
Object.
an object.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay. Now, can you rewrite the sentence to replace the subject nouns with pronouns? Okay. How to do?
He took
Okay.
her to Mexico.
He took
Or them, if it's
her
could be everything.
to Mexico. Okay. Singular pronouns. Let's do one more. She
Took
took
them
no
or him on a trip.
him to Mexico.
Do we have to
Okay.
make it the same thing again?
Yes. If you do like this, our friends will be not confused so much, right? Okay. Let's make it plural. How can we write as a plural?
They took us to a trip to Mexico. Or to Mexico.
Or they
Took
them
to Mexico or a trip to Mexico.
to Mexico. Great. Okay. Circle the subject pronouns. Underline the object pronouns. First subject one. Which one is subject?
Matt
loved the
mountains
mountain.
in Denver. He explored them often. Number one, Matt.
Matt,
And
he is subject. Okay.
Matt is object.
Which one is object?
You already see.
Which
Matt.
one is object? He explored
Them.
them often. Very good. Okay. Rewrite
Canada.
these sentences to replace the subject nouns with pronouns.
You mean Canada?
Yeah, Canada stretches across 5 time zones.
Can I change it to it?
Yeah. Subject pronoun is it.
Stretches across 5 time zone.
Okay, very good. Okay, Aboriginal peoples make up 4% of the population of Canada. So how can we rewrite this pronouns?
You mean Aboriginal people make up 4% of the population of Canada?
So we talked about many people, so we should use
They.
plural. Very good. Okay, maybe you can fit it so you can read it like this. They
make up 4% of the population of Canada.
Okay, now
It's
your turn.
to
Write.
the
Write.
sentence of your own
You-
subject and object
Pronouns. See you
Bye
next time.
bye.